How much should you actually spend on solar panels for bike touring? People are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Eco-Worthy 25W Panel. The Eco-Worthy 25W solar panel caught my attention immediately with its budget-friendly price of $36.99 and solid 4.6-star rating from over 730 reviews. If you want an affordable way to keep your 12V battery charged while touring, this is worth a serious look. The waterproof junction box and corrosion-resistant aluminum frame mean this panel is built to last, so you won't have to worry about it failing on your trip. Plus, it's super portable at just 16.5 x 12.6 inches, making it easy to strap onto your bike or pack in your gear. Honestly, the ease of installation with pre-drilled holes is a game saver for anyone who wants to set up quickly. Now, some people complained about the output not being high enough for larger batteries. Here's the thing though, unless you're running multiple devices or larger appliances, this panel does a solid job for day-to-day charging. This is perfect for you if you're a casual bike tourist looking for a simple solution to keep your electronics charged. Skip this one if you need to power high-demand devices like electric coolers or multiple batteries at once. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if that limited output bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a much higher capacity. Product number 2, Renagi 200W Panel. The Renagi 200W portable solar panel is a standout at $219.99 with a strong 4.5-star rating. If you want serious power for all your bike touring needs, this is worth a serious look. This panel features a 25% efficiency thanks to its upgraded 16BB N-type cell technology. It folds down to a compact size of 23.72 x 22.99 x 1.97 inches, making it the lightest in its class at just 13.89 pounds. Plus, you can charge up to 3 devices at once, which is fantastic for keeping your phone, GPS, and camera running. The adjustable kickstands and IP65 waterproof rating make it incredibly versatile for all conditions. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your biking adventures and need reliability, the extra size is worth it for the power it generates. This is perfect for you if you're an avid bike tourer needing reliable energy on long trips. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-portable that you can easily stow away. It's a solid investment for the performance it delivers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious adventurers. Product number 3, SOLPRK 20W Kit. The SOLPRK solar panel kit is budget-friendly at just $32.99 and has a solid 4.4-star rating. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution to maintain your bike battery, this is worth a serious look. This 20W panel has a high conversion rate of up to 30%, perfect for charging 12V batteries. It's built to withstand harsh weather with a waterproof design and a lifespan of up to 25 years, making it a reliable companion on your tour. The included smart charge controller is a big plus too. It prevents overcharging and lets you know the charging status right from the panel. The adjustable mount is a nice touch, ensuring you can optimize the angle for maximum sun exposure. Now, some users felt that it could struggle in low light conditions. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking to maintain a battery rather than push power-heavy devices, it does its job well enough. This is perfect for you if you need a no-fuss option for keeping your bike battery charged. Skip this one if you want something that generates a lot of power quickly. For the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for something more portable, the next product is a game changer. Product number 4, SUNAPEX12V Charger. The SUNAPEX12V solar battery charge is incredibly affordable at $22.99 and boasts a 4.3-star rating. If you're after a lightweight and portable solution for battery maintenance, this is worth a serious look. The 1.8W output might seem small, but it's perfect for trickle charging and maintaining your 12V batteries. I was genuinely surprised by how well it functions in cloudy conditions, which is a must for bike touring. Plus, the visual charging status lights make it easy to see when it's working. Now, some people mention that the output is too low for heavy usage. Here's the thing though, this panel is designed more for maintaining batteries than for powering big devices, so it fits its niche perfectly. This is perfect for you if you have infrequently used vehicles or outdoor electronics that need maintaining. Skip this one if you need something that can power multiple devices simultaneously. For the cost, it's a no-brainer for light users. Alright, that was an interesting low-cost option. But the next one offers a bit more power for your outdoor adventures. Product number 5, Big Blue 35W Charger. The Big Blue Portable 35W solar panel charger is priced at $76.49 and has a solid 4.4-star rating. If you want to power multiple devices on the go, this is worth a serious look. This panel features 2 Type-C ports and 1 USB-A port, allowing you to charge everything from smartphones to power banks. The fast charging capabilities with QC18W and PD25W mean you won't be waiting around for your devices to power up. It's super portable, folding down to just 8.29 x 4.84 x 1.89 inches and weighing only 1.54 pounds, making it perfect for backpacking. Plus, the IP68 waterproof rating means it can withstand the elements without a hitch. Here's the thing though, this is a solar charger, not a battery, so as long as you're in sunlight, it does its job impressively. This is perfect for you if you're a camper or hiker needing to charge multiple devices on the move. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can store power for later use. It's a worthwhile investment for the convenience it brings. So to wrap it up, we've got the eco-worthy 25W for budget-conscious users, the Renagi 200W for serious power needs, SOLPRK 20W as a reliable maintainer, SUNAPEX 12V for light users, and the Big Blue 35W for those who want versatility. Each panel has its strengths, so choose based on your touring style and power needs.